Okay, so I'm good with this. So let's say, for example, I want to just move this a bit. All right. Now let's check another panel to add. So we have the pricing. Funnel infographic. So let's say, for example, I want to add a video to this. Search your perfect home, a video. Let's go ahead and do that. Here. Let's say this one. And I want this on top of the consultation rate. So what I do is click on the panel, just click on the arrow, and it changed places with the consultation rates or the panel I want it transferred to. So it took place of the other funnel or the template rather, or yes, the panel. But search your perfect home, contact us. Okay, let's say for example I want this on top just to see how it would look like. So it's on top right now. Search for your perfect home. The consultation rates here. So okay, I prefer this look more. Now for this one, let's go ahead and change the content. Okay, this one. So it's a box. Let's say I wanna do some editing here. Right click on that. So the settings, the animation, and personal settings, style. I'm checking my options here on what or how I want this to be. So let's say I want to change it. I changed my mind. Okay. I want to add a different panel, which would be this one. And I want this on top. So just click on this, go up, and one more. Go up. Okay. Heaven on. So let's see, for this one, I will change the content to this one. Let's go ahead and change this to light. Look at that. Really, really nice. Want it in the middle. I'm gonna save it. I'm gonna move it, and there. See? want to make it bigger. Let's check 55 or even 60. Let's change the color to, let's say this one. I have the option to change how it would look like. So I think the second one is still nicer. So there. So for the color, I think I want to change it to something lighter or with a contrast. Okay, that would work. And then for this one, let's go ahead and just use the same one. Just paste it, put it on the center. I want it on this color. I'm going to put it on the center. I want to make it bigger. 25, 20, maybe 23. Yep, that's it. For the buttons, I want to change it to I change the button headline. I want to change it to contact us. Oh, okay. Let's go ahead and put that on the other. So what I'll do, I don't think we need, or I would want two buttons on it, so I'll go ahead and remove the other one. For this one, I'll move it on the center, and then I'll go ahead and edit this, change it to contact us. Change it to contact us. I'm good with that. So that's done. So far, so good. So for the image, let's say I want to change it to maybe my video. So here, yeah, let's go ahead and link this. General settings, YouTube. So let's say I want to link it to a video from my channel. So the Paulo Santana, which is yours truly. So let's say, for example, this one.
Hi, I'm Paulo.
Okay, so I'll just copy the link to my video, change it to this one, paste. So I just copied again the website address or the link of my video, paste it here, click on OK, and it's done. Again, no coding needed, done in less than 10 seconds. No experience, no problem. So I have the heading, I have the another panel with content of more information on my business, the consultation rates. Let's check what other panels we can put here. Let's see, testimonials. Oops. So for the testimonials, I will need to choose one, of course. So let's say this one. Close that. Go here. So here I won't edit the content anymore, but uh, get you do get how it works. So the images can be changed. So let's say these were my customers back then who wanted to provide a good review or testimonial, because having testimonials on your website adds credibility and gives your website visitors the confidence of doing business with you. Okay, so person's name, company, and then what I would want to add last is a this real quick, a contact information, which is like this one. So just go ahead and choose from here. So let's say, for example, this one. And there, it's done. Here's the contact information, or let's go ahead and change this if you want to change it to something else. So let's say if you want something more specific than that, maybe maybe this one. So when your site visitors would like to get in touch with you, they would enter their name, email, and their message. Now, let's click on save. So let's say for this video, I'll just do a two-page website. So I don't want to publish it yet. Now just to do a preview on how it would look like on the desktop. So it is just the way we did it. Okay. Now let's check the mobile view. See? No adjustments, no fixing needed. It's done real time. Okay, so what I want to do is go back home. Now the question is, how do you link the second page to the home page? Because of course, when a site visitor goes to your website, they would initially be brought to the first page, which is this one, the home. And so what we want to do is, when somebody goes to the home page, they will be able to access the second page. And how do we do that? You go back here, enter in editor. So there's a button here, view more or learn more. So what I want to do is button headline, style, advanced, check on it, Just check everything real quick. Okay, so double check everything. Okay, so I'm good with this. So for the button, I want to link it. Just have to click on the chain, that one. What we want to do is link it to the second page. So page name, page 2. I want it to open another page or on the same page. I have that option. Okay. So let's say just on the same page for this one. But normally people would choose open in another page. So let's go for open in same page for this example. So I want to preview it. Okay. So if somebody clicks on this, they will be brought to the second page. So that's how it works. That's how you link another page of your website to the home page. Okay, back to the editor. So again, to preview, this is the home page. So there's the menu up there. This is the header. So this is the header, by the way, which contains the menu. This is the top part of the page. Services, provide, meet our team, and the footer. Say, add this. I don't think I was able to save it earlier, so I'll go ahead and do that right now. Save, release, save. Not now, don't want to publish it yet. So there. So it's done. So that's how fast and simple everything is. I did not have to do any coding. I did not need to learn any technical skills. I didn't even use any technical skills, just copy and paste and simple editing. So that's how fast and simple. See, we're done in a few minutes. If you learned anything from this video, give it a like. And if you think this would help other people, please do share it. And if you want to learn more, just subscribe and click on the bell beside the subscribe button so you'll be notified when I upload a new video. If you have any questions, just comment below or message me on my Facebook page and I'll either answer it for you or even make a video out of it so we can share the knowledge to everybody. Just like that, this video is over and I'll see you on the next one. Let's go!